Hello friends, welcome to Flash tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to create movie symbol. This is our Flash and okay. So first of all, let's draw the oval first. Here, from here you can select oval tool, and if you want to change the color, you can change it. Okay, and now draw the oval by mouse. Okay, if you click the mouse with shift, you can draw the perfect circle. Okay, like this. Now go to selection tool and select this whole oval, convert it into symbol, and its shortcut key is F8. Okay, you can name this symbol, you can name movie clip, it is oval clip, and make sure you have selected this movie clip. Click OK. Now double click on this symbol. Okay, so here it is oval clip. Now select the frame 30, right click here and insert keyframe. Okay, and click anywhere in between 0 and 30 and create classic tween. Okay, then select any frame and change the position of oval like this. Okay, so it's done here. Let's go to scene 1. Okay, now let's check the movie, and it's for testing. Go to control and test movie. Go to control and test movie, and shortcut key is control plus enter. Okay, so here it is. Okay, but it's little bit faster. You can change the frame per second. It means change the speed of frame. I'm going to change it to 10, and now press control and enter. Okay, so speed is changed here. So this is the tutorial for movie symbol. Okay.